Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great and I hope that God is taking very good care of you. Today I didn't work and I decided why not spend the day with tea on the tea. So my husband and I are going to her home to pick her and bring her here so that we spend the day with her. Yes, and of course we'll be taking you through everything that we will be doing today. I'm super excited. It's been a minute since I saw her. I think 2 weeks now. 2 weeks. That's been a long time. 2 weeks or 1 week and a half. I'm not so sure. But I'm super excited to spend today with her. Behind me is a very beautiful picture of my family. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is mom. This is Beth, my husband's elder sister. This is Gracie, my husband's younger sister. And these two are our nieces. This is Helen, this is Katie, this is Dad, and this is my husband. Yeah, and guess what? This was a puzzle. This was a puzzle that they put together. I really love it so much. It looks really beautiful. Anyway, I'm waiting for my husband. He's putting himself together. I had to, cut short his work. So he worked half day. He'll resume after. So it's like a lunch break. We're going to pick Tina and then he'll resume working. I love you all. I hope you enjoy today with us. Bye for now. It's a beautiful day today, guys. Oh my God. Look at that. Doesn't look like we had snow last week. Honey, do you love it?
I do. It's always halfway though, because the trees don't have their leaves yet.
Yeah. But they'll be looking better in the next 2 months, right?
In 2 months they'll start to get something, yeah.
Yeah. Hey guys, tea is here. Obutungulu bukoze butya? Mulizo. Okaba. Tulabe. Today is here making chapati for us. I forgot that. Hi Tina.
Hi.
So what are you making for us?
I'm making chapati. Just grated the onions.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to grate
carrots.
Yeah, then make some chapati for Amito.
Okay.
Likes chapati.
Yeah, I love chapati and Tina knows how to make the nicest chapatis and I'm always happy having her here to make chapatis for us. Sometimes she actually makes chapatis for her from her Lawangamba chapatis. I know. She makes chapatis from her home and brings them for me.
Yeah, she loves
chapatis. So Tina is going to unplait my hair. I've had this hair for close to 2 months now.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Tina is going to unplait. If I were to go to a salon to unplait my hair, they would charge me around $50 to do this. So
she's going to pay me that $50.
I'm going to give it to Tina instead. So yeah, and then I'll get it back when it is time for me to unplait Tina's hair.
No free things in this country. I have to be paid, by the way.
Tina has to be paid for her services.
For my services. But the hair actually doesn't look so bad. Like the braids themselves, it's just like the growth on.
Yeah, the growth is just too much and it looks weird.
But it was neatly braided.
Yeah. I don't want to be looking weird.
I know, for your workplace.
Yeah, especially at work. Yeah. But if it weren't work, I wasn't going to unplait this hair now.
Not a Mitra.
No, I wasn't going to.
Not a Mitra.
Because these days, I don't know, for some reason I've been enjoying like styling it, like holding it sometimes and then letting some fall. And then I was enjoying oiling it. I was trying to maintain the hair, but I mean, the growth is just too much. That's the problem with having natural hair.
Yeah.
Because if we had relaxed hair, then it wouldn't have been a problem.
True. That's so true. I've started cutting. If I chop your hair, don't blame me.
It's okay. Tina used to be good at hair. I don't know what happened. Like, Tina, what changed?
What What happened?
Tina used to style hair back in Uganda. She would style her own hair.
I used to do my own hair.
She is so lucky to have very long hair. She has way longer hair than I do.
That still just disappeared just like that.
No, you just don't want to awaken them, but I know you can.
It's unbelievable. I can't do my hair anymore. Yet I had even tutorials on YouTube for hair.
Yeah,
remember?
she used to post tutorials and show us how to do,
how to take care of
our hair and all that stuff.
Yeah. Things change.
It's well.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, I'll be showing you how the hair will be looking like later on, okay? Bye for now. 3 hours later, this is how my hair looks like. Was it 3 hours? T? Was it 3 or 2.5?
Maybe 3 hours.
3 hours later.
Look like a village girl.
Yeah, I look like a village girl. So this is how my hair looks like. Thanks to T. We are back to cooking. T is, let me show you what T is doing. T is candying. What do they call this?
Candering.
I
say kneading.
Kneading?
Kneading is doing this. Then this is
rolling. Batching bagenda gamba omwana oyo tayiga magezi matono.
Rolling chapati.
Yeah, rolling the chapati.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
And I am going to be cooking while Tina is doing that. And yeah, we'll be showing you the end result later. So these are the chapatis that Tina made for us. I can't wait to eat them. I think we have chapatis for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, these are enough for 2 weeks. Then we have some vegetable rice. We have some meat. We have some soup. And we have some fruits. Bon appetit. So because most of the times when I do videos and my husband doesn't appear, you'll be asking me about him. So I said, how about he comes and just looks at you guys or says hello to you guys before he disappears, because there's a high chance this video could end without him appearing anywhere. So honey, say hello to everyone and just sit here and let them look at you before you go.
Hello everyone. This is me sitting here looking at you while I'm here. I'd like to say I hope you're doing fine. It's always a pleasure to spend a little bit of time with you. Thank you for being here and the love and support that you give Amito. I don't know what else to say.
Honey, can you say Amito? Because it looks like some people wanted to call me Amito, not Amiro. First, try calling me Amito.
The way I would say it? Mm-hmm. Amito?
Amito, yeah. Anyway, I was reading a comment earlier today.
No, that's true. I say Amito, like with a D.
Yes.
People say Amiro with an R, but I actually think I say it more with a D.
You say Amito. You in your mind, you are saying Amito with a D, but so while looking at you and hearing you, we hear Amito. Amito. So your R, your ro is do.
I mean to say it with a T. It's just how it comes out, I guess.
You've never called me Amito. You always call me Amito.
It's the Midwest accent, I guess.
It's okay. Leslie, I have been finding challenges with my accent. Yesterday I was talking to Tina and I said Chapari.
That's some kind of conflation.
I said Chapari and I was like, what is wrong with me?
Yep.
So I'm really trying to fight my accent. I just don't want it to go away. I want my Ugandan accent to remain, but
that's actually another
pray
one
for
where
me.
I would probably say chapati, like with a D, even though I know it's chapati. I think I just don't pronounce T's very clearly. I don't enunciate them.
Yeah, most Americans say chapati, but you think you're saying chapati with a D, but we are hearing R, chapati. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, thank you for appearing. I'm sure everyone is happy to see you guys. Are you not happy?
I'm always here. I'm not going anywhere. So it's anytime you feel like I can say, hey, just let me know.
Yeah. Anyway, that's it. Tell us something beautiful about your day today. What did you do differently that you've not been doing?
Oh, well, this is easy. It was warm enough that you and I went for a walk. And
Oh yeah,
that was nice.
It's been long because of the whole winter situation. We've not been doing evening walks, but we did one today, and it was really nice out there. It was sunny. Yeah, the weather wasn't bad, and for the first time, I didn't have my jacket on.
You probably didn't even need one.
I didn't need one. Yeah, it was nice. I know it's going to be cold again next week, right?
Yeah, it's coming back.
Yeah, but it is really nice now. I wish I could show you. I don't know if I'll be in position to show you because it's getting dark, but I'm going to try showing you how it looks like outside. Last week I showed them how the backyard looked like, and it was all white. So I would like them to see the difference between what they saw and what is going on right now. You won't believe it. It's just like 5 days in between, but the change is very evident.
You'll have some, I don't know when you plan to upload this, but you'll have some good weather tomorrow, I think, too.
Sure, I will. I don't know. As long as I have the minutes that I would like to upload, I'll upload. Who knows? I might watch it tomorrow.
But yes,
Anyway.
that's my answer. Going for walks.
Yeah.
I don't know if they know, but I am going to go run some errands. So
Yeah, I was supposed to go with my husband to run some errands, but he's going very close. He's just going to the closest store, and he's just going to pick like 3-4 things. So I said, how about I just continue with recording this video while he goes. This is the first time my husband is going alone on errands, right?
it's always nice to go with you. But
Yeah, but it's okay. I'm going to miss you, but I need to
I'll see you
also
very soon.
record this video.
All right, well, until next time.
Okay, guys, let me first give my husband a hug. 1 minute. And I can. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you. It's now dark, but if it was daytime, you'd have seen it clearly. It would have looked even better. But this is how the outside looks like. You remember how everything was white last week? But guess what? Guess what? There is nothing showing that we even had snow a few days ago. You remember how this table had like snow? The whole of it had snow, and the ground, and you know, everything had snow, but it's now back to normal. It's back. I love the weather. It's not even cold. I'm outside. Normally I come out with my shoes, but I'm just in stockings right now. That's how beautiful it is outside. I love it. Anyway, that aside, one of the things that made my day today, yeah, I know walking with my husband, like I said earlier, made my day. But also at work today, one of my supervisors gave me this stone. She says she's into, my husband is calling, just a minute. I was saying earlier that one of my supervisors said that one of the things she loves to do is to buy stones. She has a lot of stones, and she tells you about where, which country or which lake or where exactly she bought the stone from, or which city or state. So she gave me this stone. My colleague and I each got a stone, and I really love it. I didn't think I would love things like this, but this stone is really beautiful. I feel like the camera doesn't do justice to it. It looks really nice, very pretty. You see that? yeah, so this made my day as well. I treasure the fact that this is something she really loves to do. These are stones that she buys out of love, but then she still extends that love to others and shares the stones with them. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this. One of the things that did not make my day was my skin. My skin is peeling off. I don't know why. I don't know if it is the skincare, but I think I have changed. I think the mistake I made, I had skincare that was really working perfectly for my skin, and then I ditched it. I was like, I don't want to be at a point where I am, fixated on just one thing. And I changed skincare. That was the worst thing I ever did, because my skin is peeling. I woke up today and my skin was peeling. I was kind of I won't say embarrassed, because I wasn't. I'm sure they understand. But today at work, my skin was really peeling. I remember I am dark skinned, so it really shows. Like my nose here was like having those, that dead skin. So like I just had to keep, pulling that dead skin off my skin, and that was embarrassing. So I just applied niacinamide to calm my skin down. But I know in like an hour or two from now, I'm going to be looking horrible. So just pray for me. I'm not asking for any skincare recommendations, because I had something that was working and I stopped using it. So I can still go back to that, but it's just stressful right now. And the reason that's why I left that skincare was because it was very expensive and I had to buy it every month. It was becoming very expensive, and by that time I wasn't working. So not that my husband was complaining, but then I personally just felt like I was giving him a lot of burden. He has never complained. There is no day my husband complained about buying me things, but personally I just don't want to stress him too much. So I was like, let me get a cheaper option. So I went for the L'Oreal products, but I don't think they are working for me. So there's a high chance I could go back. Let me first give it another 2 weeks and see. Maybe the dead skin is a sign that my skin is getting better, or maybe it has to first die and then clear. So I just want to give it a benefit of doubt. Probably in 2 weeks I will have decided whether to continue with it or not. Anyway, guys, I tell you about everything that I go through. Anyway, I have things to do. I have my wedding planner here. I have to tick some things, write down some things that I am done with. I've been, writing so much here. One day I'll share this with you just to help other people planning to get married in the US. And I have save the dates. Isn't this picture a nice one? Yeah, that's my husband and I. Yeah, so these are the save the dates. And yeah, that's it. And of course I have this candle that I'm going to be burning. This candle was given to me as a gift. I've been burning it since yesterday. It was given to me as a gift by Mom for Valentine's. Yeah, thank you, Mom. I am burning the candle and it smells really good. So that's all that is happening in my world right now. And that's all for today. So I love you all, guys, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. In case there is anything else I would like you guys to know about, I'll tell you guys about it. But I don't know if it will be in this video or in the next video. But for now, I love you all so much. May God bless you all and bless you abundantly. Bye-bye.